Okay, hello, good evening, everyone. Today I am currently undergoing a virtual assistant class from DJ's Digital Academy. So we were taught something on digital workspace and some of the tools we use: Trello, Clockify, Monday.com, and the rest of it. Well, for the essence of this video is that we are asked to make a review on Monday.com, how it works, and submit. So for that reason, that's actually the main reason for me to go live to make this video. So I'll be sharing my screen, then taking you guys to how it is done. So I'll be going to this. This is basically Monday.com. Because I have already installed it, that is the reason why we're actually on this space. Now, when you open your, when you, either you download it on your mobile app, or you want to go to through web browser, then monday.com, www.monday.com and all that, and you put it. Once you download it, so before you download it, you're supposed to have your Gmail account. Then after downloading it, then either you have apart from Gmail account, even your own account, then you sign up with your email, then choose what you want to do. Assuming that I am starting this because I try to do what, to delete this one. I said no, it will, because it's an assignment and all that. I know my coach, they will understand, so I'm actually explaining from the beginning. But if I want to drop the lesson for this, maybe I will delete this one and everyone will see how to use monday.com, because it's very essential if you're a virtual assistant and you really want to work. Then there is a card or a board that will come out. That is where you will now choose. That is why I choose my monday.com as what? My work management. That is to say, how I manage my work or the activities. But if you are a virtual assistant, your clients will log you in their own workspace. This is a workspace. This interface that you're seeing here is a workspace. So your client will bring you here, they will give you their own mail, and they will invite you, then you will be there. So it's, but when you are doing it for your own learning, so the board or the cards that will come, you choose what you want to use it for. Is it for work? Is it for projects? Is it for team task? Is it for team management? But when I downloaded my own, I chose what? Work management. Then after you have created it, which is my workspace now, then you click add. When you click that add, that's when all these things will now come out. Do you get? You have added everything that you're supposed to add. Now, look at here. I have already opened my monday.com, but my teammate, one of my cohort members in the virtual assistant class that we are going, invited me to his own work management, which he has already named what? Wedding plan. So if you now check, this place is what? When you open this place, is giving what? Updates. She is the author. So she's running a wedding plan, catering services, venue, wedding, bride's wedding outfit, decoration, and drinks. So the updates now, This is when you have created whatever. I'm going to still add a new one, then you will see. So this place is update of what is happening. Then the person here is who that she has assigned it to is who? Chinonye Okoye Chisom, sorry, Okoye Chisom. So the status is that he or she is working on it. And the due date is January 30th. And today is what? 30th. So that means if this is a place now that they are working on, like it's an official, you're working for your clients and all that. So the due date, and peradventure she has completed it, this place will turn to be what? Done. You see it? Because it's 30. Then let's say done. This one too done. It's still Okoye Chisom that is doing all these things. Then they gave her different under wedding plan. She's to get information or to execute this. Then he say bride outfit. Probably she got stopped. So that means when, as this is the interface of which your manager or your client they are seeing it. So this place now, this stock now, they will now know that there is a problem. Probably she will still come to her update to know what, to write something. Oh, I have not been able to do so thing and all that. So let us move to, this is the one I created. I am on the, we are working on this, some of my teammates, they are from the same cohort class, the virtual assistant class that we are running. So this what's it called, I put this cash transfer in this same workspace now. Now as I put this older out of school children, I decided to assign it to who? Myself. No, the update is I say I want to see the list of those in this category. So I have mentioned the person that is supposed to I put in charge, which is Solomon. You see it? Now the status here now, Solomon can just tell me he's working on it. Then the date now, maybe I now choose 2nd January. This one has passed. Let's say the date we're going to choose here. Today's date is what? We're in 30th. Let's say this was 30th December. Maybe the status will be like done because it's in the past now. Caregivers, did they get their this thing? Working on it. Probably we choose a date. Today is today. Today's date. Or let's say 31st January 2026. You see? Today. So he's still working on it and we don't know what is going to happen. So this place, you can decide to add another thing here, another column. Let's say date, text, people, numbers. Maybe you can decide to add numbers, maybe their phone numbers or their ID numbers, because this has to do with what? Money. So whenever you click this plus sign, whatever column you want to add, you see status, you see item, you see all those things, you see people, you see dates, you see drop down. So these are the things that you can just add. This is basically how monday.com works. So in these items now, after item, you can get columns, you can get status, you can get person, you can get deadline, anything. You can just continue putting it and putting it and putting it and putting it, adding column, whatever you need. Let's say, and again now inside there, maybe okay, we are doing cash transfer. This cash transfer, who are the people? Older out of school children, caregivers, vocational skill graduates. Maybe we will now say children. We write children. You see? We have added another item. Now, view new updates. This is where you write update. Write an update with mention with others. So now, like I did before, maybe the person I want to do this thing, to give write this update to now, I want the list. I say I want the list of children from Lafia community. You see, then I use at, sorry, if you type that at, it will not work. You come here, then you make the mention at. I can choose from the people now and mention. This is how duties are being assigned. Maybe I assign this person, update it. You see, then I go here and assign the person, this same person. I have assigned um who did I assign here? I assign somebody here. Okay, look at the person, 3ndct4joker@gmail.com. So she is the one. Now, assuming that I have already assigned this thing, because I'm only telling people how to go about this thing. So assuming now that I have given it to her, let's say since last year, she will come here and say what? Done. Then come here. The date, let's say 2025. 30th January 2025. That means this one has already been done. So this place is basically for you to, this is where everything that you are going to do will happen. So you see, now you go here, what's it called? Automate. When you automate, although they have not taught us this one, but from my own research, I don't know why this place is not going. Maybe because, let me not bug myself and go there. So this is what monday.com works. Now I can click here and add new group. So a lot of tasks. This is what work management. We are working on cash transfer. This one does not have title. Okay, it's coming from this one. You can also name it another title. Do you get? This is wedding plan. This is a cash transfer, and this is updates. Whenever you see this in updates, this is persons assigned for each of these things. Then the status, they will be the one to come. So each day when you come to work, you log into your monday.com, because your client has already what invited you to their monday.com, because you will receive an email, and once you click on it, you are already on their interface. So this is what you'll be doing. All these icons, when you click on it, this is Monday Marketplace, this is Autopilot Hub, search everything you want to search, this is update feed, because maybe they have responded and say, oh, I'm working on it, I am there, but they will still come here to do what? To reflect it. So this is all about what? Monday.com. So I believe that this can go a long way. This is not actually the same, like a general lesson on it and all that. This is basically for the assignments we are giving and all that. And as time goes on, during my YouTube, because my YouTube channel is career Vivian Career Hub and all that, so I from time to time, apart from sharing work experience, what to do and what not to do, the type of CV, what you're supposed to say, and your job search and all that, then I can as well be dropping small things for here. But basically, this is an assignment we're giving to showcase the how monday.com works. Like I said, monday.com, I have already have my monday.com, and I didn't go starting afresh and all that. but it's basically very simple. You download it either on your phone. It has a mobile one if you want to do desktop. As I'm talking, I'm using my laptop. Then if you want to do it, all you have to do is that you have your a workable email. You can join it with your Google account and all that, and everything is set. And you click on the card. What do you want to use it? Because once, if it's starting, you will see what do you want to use it for, and you say okay, for work, for team management, for tax and all that. But we downloaded it for us to do what? Understand how monday.com works, because we are virtual assistants and all that. And there is no virtual assistant that cannot use what? Google monday.com. It's a digital workspace, and it's also a digital tools and all that. So from there, from what I have shown us, you will see that it's an easy platform for workplace for you to use. There are others, Slack, Trello and other, but basically this monday.com is top notch. Thank you.